bumbo clot police again and it's the thing that go blood clot go on.
Oh, you call the police?
This is a body boy right so. I have bumbo clot mean. I lift me go lift up this. If you don't like the situation, you leave.
Yeah.
And that me I tell you. So no pussy can't call the police come for me I don't charge it. Cause some boy thinks I'm American, but he's not American in the dog.
Yeah.
Me lift up this bumbo clot in the you. You hear me I tell you that?
Yeah.
Me not have no problem with nobody, me not fuck with people, you know.
Yeah.
Me mind my own business, brother.
Yeah,
so when you have a bumbo clock call the sheriff over bumbo clock in the yard, just because they're in an army, like my friend, an army boy. You know what we do with army boy?
Yeah. Oh, you called the police on you because you were playing?
I fuck it, me want him come on. I come on and come on, me lift him up. And he thinks that joke thing this. Thinks that bumbo clock joke thing this pussy. I fuck you. Just lift up come out of your bumbo clock or say, you're going to see what bumbo clock kind this is. I am saying things that joke thing with the pan.
Yeah.
I fuck the you. I thump in your mouth. Straight up, me I thump in your mouth. And if you don't understand part and pussy, me I go punch in your fucking face. Fuck around you, nigga. Play with it. Bumbo clock, play with it. Yeah. Like I think that this is soft. Pussy. Just blood clot. Come back and call the police. Come out to your house, you go in your car, and me I go smash you down.
Yeah.
Anyhow you take it, me I go thump in your face. Pussy one. Because you try me. Like your parent. Are you all no parent? We all parent that live right here, innit?
You right, man.
I'm my business, you mind your fucking business.
You right about that shit.
The fuck?
You right.
You gonna call Batty boy come out to your house. I'm gonna lift up your and you gonna see what bumbo clock go on. I'm gonna lift up your pussy wall. Bumbo clock, play with it. Bumbo clock, play with it. Yeah. Like I think that this is soft. Pussy. Just blood clot. Come back and call the police. Come out to your house, you go in your car, and me I go smash you down. Anyhow you take it, me I go thump in your face. Pussy one.
You right, man.
Bumbo clot police again and it's the thing that go blood clot go on.
Oh, you called the police?
This is a body boy right so. I have bumbo clot mean. I lift me go lift up this. If you don't like the situation, you leave.
Yeah.
And that me I tell you. So no pussy can't call the police come for me I don't charge it. Cause some boy thinks I'm American, but he's not American in the dog.
Yeah.
Me lift up this bumbo clot in the you. You hear me I tell you that?
Yeah.
Me not have no problem with nobody, me not fuck with people, you know.
Yeah.
Me mind my own business, brother.
Yeah,
so when you have a bumbo clock call the sheriff over bumbo clock in the yard, just because they're in an army, like my friend, an army boy. You know what we do with army boy?
Yeah. Oh, you called the police on you because you were playing?
I fuck it, me want him come on. I come on and come on, me lift him up. And he thinks that joke thing this. Thinks that bumbo clock joke thing this pussy. I fuck you. Just lift up come out of your bumbo clock or say, you're going to see what bumbo clock kind this is. I am saying things that joke thing with the pan.
Yeah.
I fuck the you. I thump in your mouth. Straight up, me I go thump in your mouth. And if you don't understand part and pussy, me I go punch in your fucking face. Fuck around you, nigga. Play with it. Bumbo clock, play with it. Yeah. Like I think that this is soft. Pussy. Just blood clot. Come back and call the police. Come out to your house, you go in your car, and me I go smash you down.
Yeah.
Anyhow you take it, me I go thump in your face. Pussy one. Because you try me. Like your parent. Are you all no parent? We all parent that live right here, innit?
You right, man.
I'm my business, you mind your fucking business.
You right about that shit.
The fuck?
You right.
You gonna call Batty boy come out to your house. I'm gonna lift up your and you're gonna see what bumbo clock go on. I'm gonna lift up your pussy wall.